Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Today, we will talk about what's the most common problems with 2017 Honda Accord issues midsize sedan. Hey everyone, Carhelpout here. A simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2017 Honda Accord. We're talking common problems, the quirks, the things that even a car this dependable can experience. Whether you're already cruising in a 2017 Accord or thinking about buying one, this video's for you. So, let's get this show on the road. Time to dive into the 2017 Honda Accord common problems and how to tackle them head on. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's kick things off with a big one, the transmission. The 2017 Accord offered both a CVT and a traditional automatic, and unfortunately, neither is completely immune to issues. We're talking about those annoying jerky shifts, that hesitation when you hit the gas, stuff that just doesn't feel right. One of the most common culprits here is degraded transmission fluid. Over time, that fluid breaks down, loses its lubricating properties, and boom, you've got problems. Another thing to watch out for is faulty software. These modern cars are basically computers on wheels. Regular maintenance can go a long way in preventing these transmission headaches. Make sure you're getting that transmission fluid changed according to the recommended schedule. Early diagnosis is key here. What might start as a minor annoyance can quickly snowball into a major and expensive repair if you ignore it.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, hybrid owners, this next one's for you. One of the quirks of the 2017 Accord Hybrid is its tendency towards engine oil dilution. It basically boils down to fuel mixing with the oil. Sometimes fuel can slip past the piston rings during cold starts or short trips and end up in the oil crankcase. So how do you know if your Accord Hybrid is suffering from oil dilution? Keep an eye, or rather a nose, out for the smell of gasoline in the oil. If you suspect oil dilution, get that oil changed ASAP. And while you're at it, try to avoid those frequent short trips. Give your engine a chance to warm up properly, and you'll minimize the chances of fuel sneaking into your oil.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's face it, nobody wants to be stuck in a car with a busted AC, especially during those scorching summer months. Unfortunately, the 2017 Honda Accord has had its fair share of air conditioning woes. We're talking inconsistent cooling, weak airflow, or in some cases, complete AC failure. Leaks are a common one, especially in older vehicles. Over time, those hoses and seals can dry out and crack, allowing that precious refrigerant to escape. Another culprit could be a faulty compressor, which is basically the heart of your AC system. And let's not forget about clogged cabin air filters. The good news is that regular maintenance can help prevent most of these issues. Make sure you're getting your AC system inspected and serviced regularly, especially before those summer months hit. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping you cool, both literally and figuratively.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 4, Steering and Suspension. Keeping it smooth. The 2017 Accord is known for its comfortable ride, but like any car, its steering and suspension components can wear down over time. One of the first things you might notice is vibrations in the steering wheel, especially at higher speeds. This could be a sign of worn-out tie rod ends or ball joints. Another common issue is clunking or banging noises coming from the suspension, especially when going over bumps. This could be a sign of worn-out struts or shocks. And speaking of tires, keep an eye out for uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear not only affects your car's handling, but also reduces the lifespan of your tires. The key takeaway here is to pay attention to how your car feels and sounds. Addressing steering and suspension issues early on can save you from more costly repairs down the line and ensure a smoother, safer ride.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 5. Infotainment Frustrations, Tech Glitches, and Gremlins. Let's talk tech, specifically the 2017 Accord's infotainment system. One of the most common complaints is a laggy or unresponsive touchscreen. Another issue that's been reported is Bluetooth connectivity problems. Sometimes the system just refuses to pair with your phone, or the connection drops out randomly. The good news is that many of these infotainment system glitches can be resolved with a simple software update. If you're experiencing problems, check with your Honda dealer to see if there are any software updates available for your infotainment system. If a software update doesn't do the trick, it might be a hardware issue. In some cases, the touchscreen itself could be faulty, or there could be a problem with the wiring or connections. If that's the case, you'll likely need to visit a dealership or a qualified car audio specialist to get it diagnosed and repaired.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's talk about a crucial safety feature, the brakes. Worn-out brake pads are a common issue. They create the friction needed to stop your car. A squealing noise is an obvious sign. Another sign is a vibrating brake pedal. This could indicate warped rotors. Brake fluid can absorb moisture, reducing effectiveness. Old fluid may cause a spongy pedal. Regular inspections ensure safety. During routine maintenance, check your brakes.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, in this chapter, we're going to address a problem that can leave you stranded battery drain issues. Common culprits for battery drain in the 2017 Accord include parasitic draw and a failing alternator. The alternator recharges the battery while the engine runs. Car batteries lose their charge over time and may need replacement. Preventative maintenance keeps your Accord's electrical system healthy.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So there you have it, folks. We've covered some of the most common problems that have been reported with the 2017 Honda Accord, from transmission quirks to air conditioning woes and those occasional electrical gremlins. We've delved into the nitty-gritty of what can sometimes go wrong with this otherwise reliable and popular midsize sedan. But before you write off the 2017 Accord entirely, remember that every car, no matter how well built, can have its off days. The key is to be aware of potential issues, stay on top of maintenance, and address any problems promptly. Think of it this way: even the most reliable friend might need a helping hand now and then. And just like a good friend, your car will reward you with years of faithful service if you treat it right.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And that wraps up our guide to the 2017 Honda Accord Common Problems. Despite these issues, this midsize sedan remains a solid choice with proper maintenance. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, Running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Remember, folks, a well-maintained car is a happy car, and a happy car makes for a happy driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you faced any of these issues with your Honda Accord? Let us know. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.